Packers are the only team in North America that's owned by the fans. As a team that's owned by the community, the fan experience is very important to the Green Bay Packers. At the end of the day, having the best experience in sports is one of our top values, and it's reflective of how we operate as an organization. There was some glare, there was some reflectivity, and there was some heat issues in one of our club spaces. We decided we wanted to try and find a solution for that. If we had an opportunity with the right partner to find a solution and to make it better for our fans. So we learned about window film as a solution, and rather than replace the glass, which would be a multi-million-dollar investment, we found window film to be a potential opportunity. And so then from there it was a matter of, okay, who is the right organization to take on this project with the Packers? We did vet out several organizations in terms of potential solutions, and I think at the end of the day we chose Eastman because of trust. From the very beginning in our initial meeting with Eastman, we felt like they were a true partner on the project. There was a passion from the dealer level that we felt when we were interfacing with them in terms of the installation itself, and we felt good about them taking care of Lambeau Field and doing the job the right way from the very beginning. One thing that's really stood out with this project with Eastman is the way everybody's come together to execute the installation. The way the dealers were able to work together and install it in a short time frame. There's only so many hours and so many days that we had available to install the film. So to be able to see those dealers all working together as a unit, as a team, was very impressive, and it's definitely something that stood out for us. Again, it all goes back to having one of the top experiences in all of sports. And Eastman has shown that they deliver the solution that works the best for our fans.